there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to another edition of Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you a little hack on how to make a pair of earrings that are the same size. So my hack to make two earrings the same size is pretty easy. You take your two wires, and then to do the outside of your design, you basically just put the two wires together, and then with your pliers, you form the shape, both of them at the same time. So if I want to make a flower, I'm just going to go through and do the petals. This one I'll just do a super simple flower. I do have a tutorial already about how to make two treble clefs the same size. So if they flip, you just have to kind of push them together. That can definitely happen. But yeah, so you just want to hold them together as snugly as you can and just form all your petals. So then once you've done that, you have your kind of basic shape for the flower. Then you separate them. Okay, you can just go ahead and separate them. And depending on what kind of design you want to do, if you want it super simple, you can just kind of finish it at the top. And you can always add a little bead or something in the middle with another wire after. That's the thing, the good thing about it is you can just do a simple design and then you can always add some detail to it after. So this would be a good starting point for a flower or a starfish or something like that. So you would just finish it how normally you want to finish it. You can put a bead at the top. You can just do a little loop at the top, would be good as well. So that's one design where you are just, simple design that you're doing them both the same size. So there's a little flower, and then the other one for sure is going to be the same size. And then say you want to do something with a little more detail, maybe a little more abstract, but you want them to be the same size. You can use the same concept with that. So you just take your two wires, put them together. This bend will be where you're going to form your loop at the top. And say you want to do just like a teardrop shape and then do some patterns inside. Then you can get a pen and you can just form sort of the bottom part with a pen. Okay. And there you have automatically the teardrop that is the same size. So if you want to do a frame, you're just going to get your two wires and put them together. And what I would do first is just make your bottom kind of bend to do sort of your basic shape of your frame. And this one's fun because you can put anything you want inside after. You can put a bunch of beads and different things. So we're just going to bend it to get like the basic shape of the frame. And then we're going to eyeball where the middle is going to be. And then this side too, you want to get it more or less the same height. You can always measure it too with your pliers just to see about where the bend should be. So now you have your basic shape, and all you would have to do is separate them and bend this around. This actually makes a really nice pendant if you fill it in with beads, and as long as the beads aren't too heavy, you could do the same thing for the earrings. So then you want to make a little bit of a loop at the top, and we're just going to bend it around. So if it is a pendant, you can add the jump ring, and if it's an earring, you can put it directly on the earring hook. And then we're going to wind it around a few times and just bend it like that. And then when you go to do the other one, it's going to be the same size. So you can go ahead and bend that around. Okay, and then give it a little clip. And if you want to add beads to it, I would definitely recommend using a thinner wire. This is actually a 18 gauge wire. It's a little bit thick. You could definitely use a 20 gauge wire for this. It would be sufficient and easier to work with. This is just an 18 gauge wire that I got at Michael's. They sell like these value packs with 3 different kinds of wires, 3 different gauges of wire for, I think it's $10 or something. So there we go. We have our earrings and they're exactly the same size. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your work, be sure to join the Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and lots of inspiration. And if you'd like to check out our wire work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and custom jewelry, all out of wire, so you can check out the shop. I'll link it up below. If you'd like to join my mailing list, you can sign up below, and I have a little free ebook that also shares all my favorite tools and my materials, wires and beads, etc. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.